Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. If you are wondering how to apply this spin option, this spin button, and how to use this option button as well, so stick around with the video because you are going to learn in this video and you'll get maximum value from it. Let me show you how. In this simple example, there is a quantity field, there is an order cost. So whatever the quantity is, the order cost will be multiplied by 5 and the quantity will be multiplied by 5 and it will calculate the order cost. So what I would like to add some button here, which is the spin button where I can just simply click and it change its quantity and ultimately it changes order cost as well. To add the spin button, first I need to make sure I have added the developer tab within my ribbons. So I can't see the developer tab. So what I will do, I will just right click within these options and then go to customize ribbon. A window will pop up. On the left side, there's a popular commands. On this side, the commands which are already I have within my these tabs. So the green mean the option already exists, but you can see now developer is not green. It means so it's that's does not exist within my ribbons. So I will take this one and it will add the ribbon within my those ribbons. And if you can't see the developer tab, so all you need to do click node on the side and say show all commands. And from all commands you can find out the developer tab and you can just simply press add button to add within your tabs. So mine is already here, press OK. Now you can see it has been added before the help tab. If I click this one, then you can see within the controls there is an insert option here. If I click this one, on number fourth option, if you hover your mouse, it's showing spin button. So if I click this one, and you can see the plus sign, so you need to like kind of draw the button like this one, and now you can see the spin button has been added. So there is no functionality at the moment. We select by control click and then you can see the properties. If I go here, a window will pop up. Now I need to see the what's the minimum value, what's the maximum value on it. So these are the parameters which I need to define for this button. So minimum value, so if I want the zero, if I want this quantity field to go to zero, so I will keep it to zero, and the maximum value, this is the maximum number that will appear in this quantity. And incremental change, so when you click the button, so do you want to change the value by 1 or you can keep it to 2, 3, whatever you feel like. I like to keep it to 1. And now cell link, so I'll create the cell link. Cell link is this one, quantity one. Press enter. Now all I'm set to use this option, this button, press OK. Now if I click mouse on the side and click this button, it will take it to number 1 and order cost is 1 because the 1 multiplied by 5 and the 5. If I keep clicking on it, it will change its quantity and it will change its order cost. Let's move on to the next scenario. So in this scenario, question is like when the full day is celebrated, so all these months. So I would like to see some option button here where I can tick and it will give me the option. So again, I will go to the insert and now the last one on right hand side, you can see the option button. Click this one. Again, I will draw the box and it will show the option. If I click within the box and keep pressing delete to delete the text, so it will delete all the text within the option button and control click to select and then I can move anywhere which I want. Press Control C, copy, and just paste for rest of the cells, rest of the columns as well, because I want to see the options in all the columns. So I will just simply press Control C and Control V to copy that option button. So this is the last one, the June. So now, so if I need to take any month option, so I will just simply press this one and it will take that relevant month. So I can just click anywhere within the option button and it will select the option. So this is how you can add those buttons within the Microsoft Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video and if this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.